Hello ladies! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Mai. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, please subscribe and hit that bell button para updated ka lagi sa aking mga videos. And speaking of videos, eto na, finally! Dumating na yung pinakaiintay natin. Alam nyo, I'm so lucky and I'm so blessed kasi wala pa nga sa 100 yung subscribers ko. Pero, alam nyo yun, meron na tayong i-review yung product na pinadala sa akin actually. And this product is papalabas pa lang. Hindi pa to available sa market, pero soon makikita na at magagamit na ng mga kababaihan na gustong panatilihing maganda ang kanilang mga face. Alam nyo, hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging feeling ko kasi hindi pa naman ako kasi big time ng mga ibang YouTubers. Pero, pinagkatiwalaan tayo nung company para magbigay ng ating thoughts, ng ating honest review about the product. So, nagpapasalamat ako kay Miss Arjen kasi dinadalhan niya ako ng sample products na ating i-review at makikita ninyo kung ano ang magiging effect nito sa aking face in the future. So, with that, let's begin the unboxing! So, again, Miss Arjen, thank you so much. Buksan na natin. So, ito yung pinadala nilang package sa akin. Yes! Actually, hindi pa raw ito yung final packaging. Soon, papagandahin pa nila yung packaging. Pero, pinadala na nila yung mga sample products para makita natin at ma-unbox natin at ma-try ko na rin in the future. At ito na siya. Pero bago natin buksan, ang alam ko may letter pa siya. May pa-letter si Miss Arjen. Ayan. So, ang nakalagay doon sa letter, Dear Miss Mai, I'm so grateful to finally see the product of lifelong passion for beauty and empowerment. Hands-on ako mula sa simula ng formulation sa effects and benefits sa skin. Nasubukan ko mismo sa aking face at I can confidently say na sobrang effective at sobrang ganda sa balat. Finally, isang skincare brand that I can really proud of. This is my personal life journey at gusto kong maging part ka ng marami pang success na ma-achieve natin together. I would really love to share your feedback and comments about our product para we know how we can further improve our rejuvenating skincare. Take care and keep safe. #Dyosa. Hope to chat with you soon. Your beauty partner, Arjen. Okay, Arjen Goddess Essential Company. Okay, so yun yung letter. And then, nandito yung leaflet niya. Oh, the 4 products na ating i-review. So, meron siyang step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So, ito na natin isa-isa. Ayan, naka-ribbon. And then, let's open it. Ayan. So, yung mga pinadala sa ating product ay hindi pa nalalagyan ng label. Okay? So, kaya may leaflet siguro para we can identify each product. So, isa-isahin natin. Step 1, Rejuvenating Foaming Facial Wash. Ito yun. So, wala pa siyang label. Provides deep cleansing without stripping. Thoroughly removes dirt, impurities, and excess oil. Leaves skin revitalized, soft, and satisfied. So, ito yun. So, yung direction for use, pump 2 to 3 times, moisten face, apply on your palm, and gently massage on your face for about 1 minute. Rinse well and pat dry. Use twice a day, morning and night. So, parang ano siya. So, sa mga ibang rejuvenating set, meron silang soap. Sa kanila, foaming cleanser. So, kailangan liquid siya, ipapump. Okay? And then, step 2. Ano sa step 2? Yeah. Okay. Step 2. Rejuvenating Cleansing Toner. Made with natural ingredients, this toner works to soothe, refresh, and soften the skin. Direction for use: moisten a piece of cotton and apply on face and neck. Repeat until no trace of dirt is seen on the cotton. Use twice a day for great results. Okay, so ito yung toner. Then, yung step 3, ito na intriguing. Sa mga rejuvenating set, parang additional product lang siya. Pero siya kasama siya sa step niya, sa basic set. So, ito ay Rejuvenating Whitening Serum. A lightweight serum that repairs and fills skin with moisture for a look that's pimple-free, healthy, and luminous. Directions for use: apply after using the foaming facial wash and toner. Pump 1 to 2 squirts of serum to fingertips and gently press onto face and neck. Use every morning and night to see great results. Okay, so yun yung step 3. And final step is ito, yung Whitening Moisturizer with Sunscreen Protection. A refreshing light and smooth moisturizer cream that corrects and preemptively targets the causes of dark spots and discoloration, replenishing the skin with moisture. This moisturizer creates a glass, dewy, clear skin while providing sun protection. Directions for use: after the application of serum, apply to face and neck every morning and night time. So, basically, silang apat ay magagamit ng day and night. So, nandito naman yung instructions and the ingredients at yung mga benefits ng each product. So, napakaswerte ko kasi we will be able to use this, and Miss Arjen is hoping that I could give feedback soon pagka natapos ko na siyang gamitin. Or siguro mga, sabi niya kasi pwedeng yung on the first day and then for the entire week na magagamit ko siya. For now, nag-stop ako dun sa ginagamit kong skincare product na nireview ko din last time. So, let's see kung ano magiging effect niya sa akin on the first day and sa 1 week na paggamit nito. Actually, hindi naman nga ako, nasabi ko naman to in the previous video, na hindi ako masyadong sensitive pagdating sa mga cleansing or rejuvenating set. As long as kaya ng skin ko, na feeling ko hindi naman siya nasisira or nadadamage, ginagamit ko yung product. Pero pagka na-feel ko na there's something wrong at makakasira sa skin ko, ini-stop ko din naman. Okay? For most of the time naman, hindi naman ako nakakaramdam ng kahit anong mga side effects sa mga ginagamit ko. Siguro lang mali lang yung paggamit, or medyo nagiging harsh lang ako, or masyado lang maraming amount na nilalagay ko. Kaya ganon. So, excited ako dito kasi rejuvenating means magiging younger, fresher ang skin natin. Hintayin ninyo para magkaroon tayo ng honest review dito. I will give the honest review after siguro mga 10 days of using it, and I will show the video to you guys. So, thank you talaga dahil ito yung first unboxing natin. And then, masaya lang. Sana dumami pa yung subscribers natin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para lagi kayong updated sa aking video. Until the next video, ladies. Bye!